If we can instill a respect for water, an understanding of the importance of water conservation in our students now, that will make the world a better place for future generations. My name is Robin. I'm a grade 5-6 teacher and also the sustainability coordinator at our school. The school's water efficiency program, or SWEP as we know it, is a wonderful initiative. It promotes water conservation. Way back in 2012, we were approached by our local water authority to see if we were interested in putting a SWEP data logger on our water meter. The data logger enables us to monitor our water usage. It also has a facility where we are alerted if our water usage spikes and continues to. See here, that was a water leak. So it's a constant usage of water.
To save water at school, we have ice cream containers that go under the bubble taps. When they're full, we empty them into the garden.
We have water tanks and we use that to water the oval.
I also take a drink bottle so that we don't have to use the bubble taps and leak water.
If we can create an environment for students to learn about the importance of being sustainable, hopefully they will take that to their homes. And so at homes you could imagine that there's a whole lot of other opportunities for them to save water, to conserve water, and teach their parents. And it's true, every drop counts. And if we can instill that into them, we've done a good job.
My favourite part is making sure that people don't spray other people with water.
My favourite part is knowing that all the water isn't going to waste.
My favourite part about saving water at school is knowing that I'm doing good and helping the planet.
Authorised by the Victorian Government, Melbourne.